You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it, but you haven't seen anything yet.
Hello! We finally get to open the Amazon package. Yay! Yeah, I've been putting it off, but I don't want to wait any longer. And I want to see what that mold is like. That's what I'm most excited about. I already know what the PU resin is like already. And I love that stuff. This. Oh my goodness. Come on. There we go. Alrighty. Put that there for a minute. There we go. Yeah, they even give you gloves to go with it. Here is our polyurethane. They changed the bottles. They used to be white bottles. Now they're black. Okay. Yeah, still dries white, so okay. So cool. And comes with all the directions you need, how it works and stuff. Yay. Here, this is it. Oh, they taste it good too. Wonderful. Gotta love when they do that, don't you? Hopefully my scissors are sharp enough. There we go. Okay. Maybe they were afraid it was gonna hatch and escape. All right, here it is. There we go. There's the top. And here's the base. It's a dragon egg. Okay. We're gonna head over here and start dusting this. You can turn it inside out very easily. There we go. That'll make getting all of our colors, our mica powders in here, nice and easy. And then we'll go ahead and we'll cast it. Yay! Okay, so for the initial dusting, for the egg itself, I'm going to be using Luvz resin chameleon powders in orchid, and that will be the initial egg, and it has crystals around the base of it. And for the crystals, I believe I am using TLP SUP in Hoity Toity, and the chameleon powder, the Luvz resin chameleon powder in turquoise, and there's another chameleon powder, I think it's called soft orchid, which is more purpley and stuff. So, but you'll see all that. And yeah, I've got a particle mask on because these things really kind of flitter and float in the air, and you really don't want to breathe that stuff into your lungs. So I have a particle mask on so that I don't breathe those in. And I'm just using some cheap makeup brushes that I found on Amazon to dust everything with. We'll put a link for that down in my description, along with product links in my description will also be the links to my fellow Thursday Train partner videos. First we had Dave's DRH Acrylic-Creations, and then we had Just Janice, and then I followed them. So please go back, check for the playlist link in my description and everything. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to us. It's free. And that way you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. And speaking of upcoming videos, mine are going to be a little less frequent. I know it's kind of been disjointed ever since I got sick at the beginning of summer. But I'm starting a new chapter in my life, a new exciting chapter in my life with my husband. And I have gone back to work. I am training, basically to be his boss in a way. His boss is retiring and he has offered for us to buy the company. So that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be buying a business and running that. And yeah, so it's exciting, very exciting, kind of nervous, kind of scared, but excited all at the same time, if that makes any sense at all. So I'm always going to be an artist first at heart. And yeah, I'm still going to record and put out video tutorials as often as I can. But yeah, I don't think I will be able to keep up a weekly schedule. So look for me on the Thursday train still, but probably as a guest appearance from now on. And but please still come and support Janice and Dave and whoever else fills my spot. And I will see you in a guest position later on in the future. So, all right, let's put on some music and finish watching the rest of this video. It's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is take your micas with your brush, rub them in pretty good on the silicone mold, and then the PU resin is awesome stuff. You mix it 1-to-1 ratio, 1 part A, 1 part B, and you can measure that by volume or by weight. It's that easy. It's very fluid. It is got the viscosity basically of water. And so be careful. Maybe wear some eye protection because it has a tendency to splash. You'll see that here in the video too. As it's curing, you'll see the little drips and splashes on my silicone mat, how they turn white and everything. So yeah, that's why you want to wear the gloves too. And yeah, we're gonna speed this all up and put on some music, and I will see you towards the end.
Late at night in the dark, at least when I'm not with you. It's like without you I just fall apart, and I don't know what I'm heading into, 'cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control, 'cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act. But I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, I like that you're free. I wanna be that way with you. Chasing highs to take the weight out of me. Far from lows, I don't ever feel blue, 'cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control, 'cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act. But I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it
I used to be so, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, feel alive with you. This is our time. Tonight. This is our time. So chaser, you turn me on. Groove is your true nature, and it never gets hot enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one has, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, yeah.
here it is all finished. Oh my goodness, how pretty is this? I am in love with this mold. And I can't get over how much room is inside this little egg. I mean, I can fit my whole fist in there basically. So yeah, it's great for anything. Car keys, bobby pins, change, whatever. So yeah, I can't wait to make another one. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscription, the likes, share it out to a friend. Let them know the magics of PU resin. And until next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye!